Welcome. In this video, I will show you all the ways that you can copy and paste on your MacBook Neo. So the most obvious ways, but maybe not obvious for everyone, especially for the new MacBook users, is pasting using the quick shortcuts, which in our case will be Command+C if you want to copy something, and Command+V if you want to paste it, Command+X if you want to cut something out. So similarly to what we have on Windows, except for we use Command instead of Control. So we just select the text by double clicking it, and then either use Command+C to copy it and then Command+V to paste it, or we can also select it and use Command+X to cut it out and then paste it, or we can of course use our interface for that. So just select the word that you want to copy and then tap your or rather press your trackpad with 2 fingers at once and select what you want to do with it. So either cut, copy, or paste. So that's one way, the basic one. Now let's go to more advanced stuff. What we can also do is press Command spacebar to open the Spotlight search, and then the Spotlight will have this clipboard feature, which we can access either by navigating to it and opening it, or we can use another shortcut, which is Command+4, which is basically open the same window. And here we will see all the clips that we previously made on this laptop. I actually wonder why we don't have the text, probably because we already pasted it. But if we just copy it and enter the Spotlight and clipboard, no, we don't have it here. So it works primarily with files. So if we, for example, copy some photo and then we open Spotlight and clipboard, we will see the photo in here. And this way we can save many different files, and they can be of different of different category, basically different extensions. In this case, we only have photos here, but we can also add documents and videos and use them in our clipboard. Selecting the copy next to our document will actually will basically put this file into our current clipboard, and this way we'll be able to paste the photo that we selected wherever we want it to be. Now these are more advanced features, but the most advanced way to copy and paste on your MacBook is by using your other Apple device. So if you have another Apple device and it's signed into the same Apple account of yours, which you can easily check by going to the Apple menu, going to System Settings, and checking your Apple account right here, then you'll be able to copy on your MacBook and paste on your iPhone, or go the other way around. So as you can see, on my iPhone, I'm also signed into the same Apple account. So in order to enable this feature that lets us copy and paste throughout different devices, we have to go to General, and then we're gonna have to go to AirPlay and Continuity, and here we have to enable the Handoff feature. So switch the toggle to the right next to Handoff, and then do the same thing on your MacBook. So open General, then find AirDrop and Continuity menu here, and then make sure to enable allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. Now if your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can enter some sample text on your iPhone, for example, and then you can copy it, and then you can paste it anywhere on your MacBook simply by pressing Command+V. and this will paste the text that you made and copy it on your smartphone, and it works both ways. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.